Hi everyone, Skip here. Take a journey with me as I explore all 64 of Wisconsin state parks and post short, informative, inspirational videos on this channel. Tune in and plan your day hike. Plaques describe how 400 million years ago an inland sea covered the region, resulting in limestone bedrock, with magnesium replacing calcium over time to form dolomite. Later still, silica flowed through the dolomite, creating sharp, hard chert. So the trail right here is kind of a little river. I'm glad I have shoes that are waterproof. And you can see this chert that I'm walking over is very jagged. It's sharp, just like the sign says. When it gets splintered, it has a very sharp edge. This part right here is real smooth and definitely a very hard material. You can just tell it. Look at how this is broken away in this very sharp jag here. Yeah, this edge is kind of sharp, so I can see where these would make good tools. Here's a little tree growing out of the chert, just like the sign said. Breaking the chert down and turning it back into soil. Yeah, look at that. Little jack in the pulpit just starting to pop up. No flower yet, but another couple of weeks it probably will. This is on the FlintRock Trail on the west side of the mountain. It's a little bit more protected from the wind today. And there's more greenery over here too. So I think the wind protection might have something to do with that. Okay, now we're coming off of the FlintRock Trail at the far end. I start from the parking lot and winding up here at the West End Observation Tower. Yeah, windy day. Holy cow. It is blustery. Big spring day in Wisconsin. The sun is out, which is just great. This is a cool place. highest peak in southern Wisconsin, right here at Blue Mound State Park. As you can see from the panoramas from the tower, you can see a long way from here, especially on a clear day. I did catch some nature, caught a little nuthatch there. There are a lot of trails here. This is some nice hiking. The hiking's a little bit steep in places. The chert is the cool thing about this, the geology. This is the highest peak in southern Wisconsin because it's made out of this very hard erosion-resistant rock, and everything around it has eroded, but this remains. It does connect up with the Military Ridge State Trail, really nice biking trail. I saw some bikers out here earlier. It's been real fun, and thanks for tuning in as always. Let's go, let's get out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye.